Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to show you our favourite top 10 waterfalls in Queensland.
My favourite was Nandroya, spectacular.
There are so many stunning waterfalls in Queensland, it was really hard to pick our favourites. So we have included the tallest and widest waterfalls and some amazing waterfalls you can swim in.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
Wallaman Falls. Wallaman Falls is located near Ingham in North Queensland and is surrounded by World Heritage Rainforest in Girringun National Park. Wallaman Falls is Australia's highest permanent single drop waterfall. It is created when water from Stony Creek plunges 268 metres over the cliff in a clear single drop. You can see this waterfall from the viewing deck, a short walk from the car park.
Millaa Falls. Millaa Falls is nestled in an oasis of lush green rainforest and tropical gardens in the Atherton Tablelands in far North Queensland. The water flows over the falls and down 18 metres into a fresh, cool waterhole, which is perfect for swimming. You can easily access this waterfall from the car park.
Josephine Falls. Josephine Falls is located in the Girringun National Park near Innisfail in far North Queensland. This stunning waterfall and natural rock pool is a popular swimming spot for locals and tourists alike. The rocks form a natural slide into the calm green waters below. It's a 700 metre walk from the car park to the waterfalls and swimming hole.
Wallacha Falls. Wallacha Falls is also located in the Girringun National Park. They are formed when Henrietta Creek tumbles over the mossy basalt rocks, creating a series of waterfalls of varying sizes and intensity. The viewing platform is a 700 metre walk from the car park, and the base of the waterfalls is not accessible.
Murray Falls. Murray Falls is located in the Girringun National Park between Cardwell and Tully in North Queensland. The fresh, clear waters of the Murray River cascade over boulders into rock pools, creating a fabulous waterfall with several tiers. A short walk from the car park will bring you to a viewing platform at the base of the falls, or you can take the longer 1.8 kilometre hike to see the top of the falls.
Kondalilla Falls. Kondalilla Falls is a stunning waterfall in the Kondalilla National Park in the Sunshine Coast hinterland. It is a 1.5 kilometre walk to the viewing platform at the top of Kondalilla Falls, where you can see the water from Stony Creek drop 80 metres over the cliff's edge into the rainforest valley below. You can also swim in the rock pools, which you will find along the walking track.
Clamshell Falls. Clamshell Falls is located in the Bahana Gorge, a 30-minute drive south of Cairns in far north Queensland. It is a 3.2 kilometre walk to Bahana Gorge, which has pristine swimming holes, breathtaking views, and the stunning Clamshell waterfall cascading over the rocks in the deep granite gorge.
Millstream Falls. Millstream Falls is the widest single-drop waterfall in Australia and is located near Ravenshoe in far north Queensland. It is a 700-metre easy walk from the car park to the viewing platform, where you can see the water cascading spectacularly over the edge of a columnar basalt lava flow.
Queen Mary Falls. Queen Mary Falls is located in the Main Range National Park in the Darling Downs region of Queensland. A 2-kilometre walking circuit takes you to a viewing platform at the top of the falls and then down to the base. There you will see Spring Creek cascade 40 metres down over the rocks in the valley below.
Nandroya Falls. Nandroya Falls is also located in the Girringun National Park and is created when Douglas Creek rushes through a basalt parapet gap and drops 50 metres into the pool below. It is a 4.2 kilometre return hike to Nandroya Falls, but it's worth it to see this stunning waterfall and take a dip in the cool waterhole.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.